Hey guys, welcome to Financial Comprehension. And today I just want to share one news with you guys. That is, the global debt has gone up to $315 billion. Trillion dollars. This is the news. I hope that you guys must have read this news or heard this news from anywhere. It's a very big or very kind of worrying news that all people, the government, businesses, individuals, the people who have taken a loan, or the group of individuals or companies who have taken, even governments who have taken loans from different other governments or world banks or financial institutions, combining that, the global debt is to the $315 trillion dollars. So that $315 trillion is under risk, and if that collapse, if anybody fails to pay back that debt, the economic crisis will go down. There will be loss of jobs, again recession, salary cuts, God knows. The thing is that these governments, the businesses, the banks will get a bailout. They will survive. They will support each other and they will go ahead. The only sufferer will be people like you and me, the individuals. So guys, plan your debt, and in such a way, if you're in a debt trap, even if you go for a settlement, don't worry about that, because once you have a control of financial mental peace, you can live happily, because bank will find out the solution, but you have to work hard for yourself. So thank you. Have a great day. And there's another small news I just want to share. That is, there's a news that Adani is planning to buy a stake in Paytm. But there's a news, even though there's no official kind of confirmation from the Paytm side, but there's a news that Vijay Shekhar, the chairman of the Paytm, that 197 company, has done a meeting with the Gautam Adani, the head of this Adani group, and I think he will be getting into the your so-called this fintech business, and even if he comes, then I think that there will be a kind of a massive change in the fintech business. So let's see what kind of investment he does, or what kind of planning he gets into. But there will be a lot of competition with Google Pay and all, so you can check that as well. There's a news, one thing. So I've said that if you guys have any issues with your settlement or debt, you can get in touch with me with my mail ID, that comprehensionfinancial@gmail.com, and I'll post that mail ID also. I've shared that mail ID earlier as well. You can share me that mail, or even if any query, you can comment to me on these videos with your queries or anything on the videos I'm making. But see, I will make videos of loan settlement because the process is same. I can't make repetitive videos of same again what people are doing. So I thought that okay, let's share some financial news, what is happening. If there is an update on any loan settlement process or anything like that, I'll surely update you guys on that as well. But believe me, these news are also important, and what is happening in the economical world, what is happening, if there is any change in the politics, in the political scenario across the globe, then what will be the impact on these things. So you have to go through this news. You need to go through this news as well. So yes, I'll update on this kind of news, where this global crisis, or this one news that $315 trillion of debt, one news, and you can plan your your financial situation according to that. Don't make any big purchases. Don't make any unnecessary, unwanted spendings. Try to yes, sometimes we need to pamper ourselves, but be in your limit. Avoid using this option like buy now pay later. This is another data where BNPL, which is buy now pay later, these options, pay later options, the business was around, when they started, 4 billion, it's around some $4 billion. Now it has gone up to around 20, they're projecting around 40. So from 4 to 40. So you have to see this data, how these businesses are growing by putting so much interest on you guys, on people like individuals like us. So be aware of the situation, that's what is happening around the economical world, around the banking system, around the finance sectors. Little bit of awareness will give you an idea of how you should plan. Spend within a limit. If you are using credit card, good, well and good. Don't use multiple credit cards. Use only one credit card, that's enough. Try to pay the total amount, total outstanding amount, whatever happens, but then you can use the credit card again. But try to use only one credit card. Try to pay the total amount. If you're not able to make the total amount, try to make the maximum you can of the total amount, the maximum portion, if there's any issue. But that's the process to be in a financial discipline. So thank you guys. Have a great day, and I hope that this video will help you to gain some information what is happening, and this will help you in planning your financial, to do your personal financial planning as well in a better way. Thank you. Have a great day.